Good morning, guys. Could you please confirm? Is my screen visible for everyone?
Yes, sir, visual, sir.
Visible. Very good. So, guys, what we discussed in the last session? What was the tool that we learned in the last session?
Nexus.
Yes.
Server.
In the last session, we discussed about what is Nexus and why we need to go for Nexus. Can anyone give me quick overview about Nexus tool that we discussed? Can anyone give me quick overview about the Nexus tool that we discussed? Come on, guys.
The Nexus is used to store a jar and WAR file according to release snapshot. If release is not ready, we will say what snapshot. If it is ready for production, we will save it on release.
Yes. Nexus is used as Artifactory server in the real time. So when we are working with the project, source code will be available in the GitHub. We need to take the source code from the repository and we need to build that project. Okay, for that we are going to use Maven as a build tool. Once the build process is completed, our project artifact will be generated, which is a jar file or war file. The jar file or war file we need to maintain for the backup. Okay, so where we will store that jar file or war file in the real time, that's where Artifactory server comes into picture. So there are two Artifactory servers which are famous in the market. One is Nexus, another one is JFrog. Okay, so Nexus is called Artifactory server. It is used to store project artifacts, and in the real time, for every project, remote repository also will be available. What is the main purpose of remote repository? The remote repositories are used to store the shared libraries. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of a shared library, guys? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by a shared library? What do you mean by shared library?
What are the common jar files to use for
Yes.
every?
So in every project, some common jar files will be available in the company. So what are the common jar files that are required for multiple projects? Those jar files are called as shared libraries. Okay. So to maintain the shared libraries in the real time, we are going to use remote repositories. Okay. So we are able to understand how to set up Nexus by using Docker, and we configure Nexus credentials, and we are able to create the repository like snapshot repository we created, release repository we created. Snapshot repository is used to store under development projects artifacts, and release repository is used to store the artifact once the project development got completed. We are able to understand how to integrate Nexus with our Maven project, and we have seen the remote repository, how to create the remote repository and how to upload the jar file to the remote repository, and how to add that jar as a dependency in the project, how to configure the remote repositories. That concept we are able to understand. Are you guys able to do the practice of this Nexus repository concept? Are you guys able to do the practice of the Nexus repository concept, guys?
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
So I was getting when I was running that clean deploy command, I was getting connect not connected error port kind of
Which command?
uh, connection failed. Correct connection timeout.
Okay, did you change this one?
No, I mean that video I reached on half time. These things is not explained till yet
Okay.
when I face this error.
Yeah.
Okay.
we'll check that, sir. So if you are getting that issue, so in this one, you need to update that one. You need to change that. Mirror block issue will be available. You need to go to the Maven settings.xml. You need to find out mirror.xml and you need to change that one.
Okay, these things explained on video further.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, I will look.
So the remaining people, anyone else practiced this concept? Anyone else practiced this concept? Anyone else practice this Nexus tool that we discussed in the Saturday session? Anyone else who practiced this discussion, this Nexus tool that we discussed in the Saturday session?
Yes, sir.
Is it working as expected?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so very good. Perfect. And guys, yesterday you guys attended Spring Security Workshop. So any benefit of that? Yesterday you guys attended Spring Security Workshop. So is there any benefit that you got?
Yes, sir. What need the purpose of soil need for the projects? I understanding that.
So you understood what is the purpose of that Spring Security
Yes, sir.
and what is the basic authentication? What is the
In
basic?
memory authentication, role-based authentications.
Yes, what is the in-memory authentication and what is role-based authentication?
Yes,
So
yes.
it's are integrated with this one also. What is that? JDBC authentication. It's are explained about what is
Not completed, sir. Only in memory there is a time of. So
okay.
they are stopping that
Memory authentication is completed.
and told that we plan the next workshop.
Okay, okay, got it. Fine. Next, guys. So, so what is the plan? What is going on in the Angular? Is services concept completed in the Angular?
Yeah, yes. HTTP clients.
HTTP client topic also completed?
Yes, how to communicate with the third-party APIs and how to communicate the background. Not many projects, they take the third-party APIs from the Google countries APIs. So taking that and learning these things.
Okay, by using third-party API, you guys are learning that
The countries API.
country's API.
Yes,
Okay,
and the data printed in on the front end using and communicated using the services and the HTTP clients.
very good, very good. So if you are clear with that Angular part, then we can get started with our major project development, guys. If you're clear with that one, then we can get started with our major project development. Are you guys ready for that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we are going to develop one e-commerce application, guys. So we are going to develop one e-commerce application. So what is the meaning of e-commerce application? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of e-commerce application? What do you mean by e-commerce application?
It is ordering the products and transactions, all these things come with it. It is a e-commerce application. I thought
Sorry, can you come again?
it is booking the online products
Okay, purchasing the products in the online
online
is
and
called
processing the payment and delivery end to end.
e-commerce application means
Delivery.
online purchasing of your products.
Yes, I thought of
Online
that.
purchasing of the products is called as e-commerce application. Now, can you tell me what functionalities will be available in the e-commerce application?
Ordering.
What functionalities will be available in the e-commerce application?
First of all, ordering, and I add to carts, and payment, and delivery, and sending the messages. All these things in the part of the e-commerce application.
Login, sign up page, product page, category, review, then payment,
Category, product, okay,
review system for product,
reels, and okay,
discount,
discount, okay,
product review and rating.
Whenever we starting the purchasing the products, they are ordering the product, and whenever you want to add some products to the cart, and after the ordering that they has a payment page, and after the complete the payment, and they send the messages from to your mail and through the SMS, anything, whatever else, all these things from purchase to delivery.
okay, good. So basically, when we are talking about e-commerce application, so it is very common that what are the functionalities. So shopping applications like Amazon, okay, Flipkart. These all projects comes under e-commerce where customers can see the products and the customers can purchase the products. Customers can do the payment of that and customers can track the order. These are the basic functionalities will be available in the e-commerce. So what is the project that we are going to develop? So I am giving this project architecture. Okay, what is the e-commerce application that we are going to develop? This is the architecture of the application. So let me play the video for you once so that you will get the idea what is our project and what is the project that we are going to develop. So just let me play this video and let us see the screens. What are the screens which are available in our application? Okay, now 1 minute. Yeah. Are you guys able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
There is a blur. Is it visible clearly?
Increase quality, sir. There is blur in the video.
Yeah, even I can see there is a blur in this video. I think this is clear now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think there is some issue from my side only. I'm unable to maximize the screen. Yeah. So guys, this is our e-commerce application. So we need to develop the application like this. So just observe this. So Ashok IT e-commerce website is available. Now in this e-commerce website, you can see the products are displaying and product categories are available. Laptops. When you click on laptops, only laptops are coming. When you click on mobiles, only the mobiles are coming. Shirts, the shirts are coming. Okay. When you click on beauty, the beauty products are not available. So basically, in our application, multiple products will be available and the products are belongs to categories. So whenever you go to our Ashok IT website, by default, products will be displayed. Now, you can select the category. Based on the selected category, the products will be loaded. So that is one functionality. Products and categories will be available. And the search option is available. The moment when you start typing, based on the given search field, the data will be filtered. Suppose if you type a mobile, so the products which contains the title as mobile will be displayed. Okay. So when you click on search, when you type something, then the products will be displayed and currently the cart. So if you see currently the cart is 0 and the cart price is also 0. We have not added any product to the cart as of now. So whichever the product that you want to purchase, you can add that product to the cart. So when you click on add to cart button, the product will be added to the cart and the product price will be updated. That is, the cart price will be updated. Now see here, currently the cart is 0. Now when you click on add to cart, when you click on that button, now see, I selected Dell laptop as add to cart. Then in the cart there is one item and that item price is $20, something like this. Okay, cart is updated. Now if I add one more product, then cart is updated to 2 items and cart price is updated as $68, something like this. Then go to mobiles. So select one mobile, shirt, added one shirt. So 3 items added to the cart and the cart price is $76 now. So like this, when you click on the cart button, what are the items you added to the cart? All the items are displaying here. And so in this cart now, you have a option where you can increase the item quantity and you can decrease item quantity. So currently one Dell laptop is available here. When you click on plus, that quantity will be increased and the price will be updated. When you decrease minus, so if there is only one item, that will be removed from the cart. If there is more than one item, that item will be removed, cart price will be updated. So like this, so when you go for view cart page, there is option remove. Yes, laptop is removed. Click on remove. That laptop is removed. Now only shirt is available in the cart. Shirt price is 8. Cart summary, if you see, total quantity 1, total price is 8. Then when you click on proceed to checkout, so here the details page is displaying where you can enter the customer details, okay, and the customer phone number, address for the shipping, where you want to ship your cart product. So that information is displaying here. And review total quantity, total price, click on purchase. So when you click on purchase, the Razorpay is opening for the payment gateway. So this is test mode Razorpay I have integrated. So you don't need to do the real payment. If you change the keys, then the real payment will happen. From which bank that you want to pay, select that bank account details. Then so success or failure transaction will be represented here. Click on success and click on failure. Test mode is available. Now click on success. So the transaction got successful. Once the transaction got successful, then you will be redirected to the payment successful page and your order is generated. Order ID will be displayed. Now, so whatever the orders you placed, you can check that order by using login. So with given email ID, you can log in into your account. At the time of checkout, you have given mail ID. So log in with that mail ID. Once you log in with that mail ID, it will display what all the orders that you have placed. How many orders you placed, what is the price of your order, and what are the quantity, how many items available in your order, when you placed it, and you can see the order details also. View order details functionality is available. So this is our e-commerce application that we are going to develop. So this is the e-commerce application that we are going to develop. So I hope you got the basic idea what is our major project and what we are going to develop as part of our major project. So we are going to develop one e-commerce application. What functionalities are available in our e-commerce application? So this is the major project that we are going to develop. So whatever the major project we are going to develop, same project you are going to keep in the resume also. Same project you are going to keep in the resume also. Project architecture. Now this project we need to develop first backend. The backend of the application is developed by using Spring Boot and Data JPA. Backend developed by using Spring Boot plus Data JPA plus Data REST concept will be available, and MySQL DB we are using for that. Okay, and finally deployment will happen in the AWS cloud. That is fine. And we are having front end of the application. That front end is Angular 17 version we are going to use in order to develop this application. So in our application, what are the modules available, guys? Okay, So as part of our project, what are the modules we are going to develop? What are the modules we are going to develop in our application? So the first one, we are going to develop products and categories. Okay, what are the products available and how to display those products, how to load the products based on the category, and how to search the products. Products and categories available, and we have implementing second module as a cart module. Cart functionality is available. Products, categories, and search functionality comes under the products and categories module only. Next, cart module is available, and the next, third one, checkout module is available. Whatever the products you are able to see, you can add those products to the cart. We can set up the, we can display the products, and we can add the products to the cart. From the cart we can check out the products also. Once the products checkout got completed, then we can go for payment, where the Razor Pay integration is available in our application. And the next one, here we are having user management. So user registration and user login functionality will be available in our application. And the sixth module that we can see, orders. Orders functionality will be available. So what all the orders the customer has placed, and when the order placed, what is the price of the order, okay, and what is the items, what are the items available in the one order, so what are the quantity of the items, all these things we can get by using orders. Now I'm giving this video in the chat box. So it is 3 minutes video. So can you, all of you, watch that order once, watch that video once. So I'm giving 3 minutes of time. So watch that video once so that you will understand our project architecture. Then I will take any questions that you guys are having. So I have given that video in the chat box, and let me send that video in our WhatsApp group also. So 3 minutes, I don't speak anything, guys. So I want all of you to watch that video so that you will understand. I want all of you to watch that video to understand what is the functionality of our e-commerce application. Okay, I sent that video in the WhatsApp group also. Just watch it. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear for all of you? Are you guys watching that? Yes. Come on. Guys, are you able to complete that video? Guys, are you able to complete that video now? Yes. Now, anybody having any questions? Anybody having any questions on this one? You can unmute and you can ask me now. Yes, you can unmute and you can ask me. Basic, just you understand what is the project and what we are going to develop as part of this project. So this is going to be our major project, and the same project you are going to keep in your resume also.
Sir,
sir.
which
Project.
microservice pattern we use here?
Sorry? Can you come again, sir?
Which microservice pattern we use here?
Design pattern. I will explain you design pattern. Forget about the implementation. Functionality, are you able to understand or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Is there single role as shown in the video, or will have multiple roles?
Single,
Role.
multiple roles will be available. Admin login will be available. Normal customer login will be available.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in latest e-commerce domains, so if we are logging, so logging or sign up, they will send OTP on WhatsApp. So we are developing this type of application.
If you want me to integrate with WhatsApp OTP, it is just 5 minutes task. That's not a big deal.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just OTP integration means just making a REST API call. That's it. Okay. So I want all of you to understand what is the requirement of our application. Okay. What are the modules available? Now, everyone should involve in the project development. So as I told you, it is not one person work, guys. It is not one person work. One person cannot develop a project. So what is the meaning of project development in the company? One person will develop the project, or multiple people will involve in the project development. One person will develop the project, or multiple people will involve the project.
Multiple people involved in the project.
Multiple people will be involved in the project development. So here also, I want you people also to involve in the project development. Don't expect that everything will be completed by me in the class. If I want to complete everything in the class, it will take 6 months of time. Okay, daily 1 hour. So if I want to write the complete code for this project, then it will take a lot of time. So I want you people also to involve in the project development, and whatever that we are discussing in the class daily, the same thing you need to practice after the class is completed. So whatever we are discussing in the class, same thing I want you people to practice after the class got completed. Is that okay for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay for all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
So you need to understand major project very clearly, and you should be able to develop that project on your own. So then only you can keep this project in your resume, and then you can attend the interviews. And once again, I'm telling you, if you just listen to the class and if you don't practice, then there is no use of doing the project. Okay. You need to involve yourself in the project development. So whatever we are discussing in the class, same thing you need to do after the class got completed. Now, so we will follow the proper real-time standard in order to develop this application. I have given project architecture video. That means what is our project, how it should look like, what is our project and how it should look like, and what are the screens, what are the functionalities available. Very clearly I have explained in that video. Okay. Now these are the modules that we can see in our project. Products available, product categories available, cart functionality is available, checkout functionality available, payment functionality is available, user management available, and orders available. So these are the basic functionalities that we are going to implement in our application. Now, today, what I want you people to do is, first, for every project development, database analysis is very important. So you have seen the project execution flow also. What is our project and what are the screens available and what is the requirement basically. You understand the requirement of the project. Now, based on your understanding, I want you people to do the database design for the project. So without database design, we cannot start the development of the project. Without database design, we cannot develop the project. So I want you people to work on database design today. So first, I'm giving the chance for you to work on the database design. I'm giving the chance for you to work on database design. Then I will explain my database design. So that you can compare your design is matching with my database design or not. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. We have to do the, I think, DB design for all the microservices, right, individually.
Yes.
Okay. So
So you
product
need
and category.
all the microservices, what are the tables are required? You need to identify the tables and you need to identify the table structures. Okay. You need to identify overall for our application, what are the tables required and what are the columns required in those tables. Are you clear with my point?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
For backend database, we mentioned that MySQL only. But
Sorry?
sir, we mentioned that MySQL only. But what I'm thinking, sir, for order service, can we go for a MongoDB because that is much easier to handle
Yes, sir.
all the requirements?
I will explain the scenario for MongoDB, in which case we can go for MongoDB.
Okay, sir.
So here we are using the combination of MySQL and Mongo or only MySQL?
No, sir, only MySQL here.
Okay, sir. If we use Mongo, it will be one exposure, right? So any other
First,
possibility?
once our major project is completed, then I will tell you the difference between SQL and NoSQL. Then we will develop one simple API with the MongoDB.
Yeah, okay, sure. So one more thing. So other tools, right, like the Kafka and Elasticsearch.
Yes,
and
we will
Redis.
cover those also. We'll cover those also. Once we are starting the development, right, then I will include the pending tools also in the project.
Okay. So
Docker
along
is
with the project, we will learn.
Yes, along with the project. Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and unit testing, ELK stack. So there are Kafka, Redis, there are some pending tools available. Those tools, along with the project, we are going to learn.
Okay.
So
One more thing, sir.
when I say the project batch is completed, then you can see, is there any topic which is pending? I will inform 1 week before the batch is going to complete. If anything is missing from my end, then you can remind me. I will cover that also.
Yeah, okay. So I think approximately by end of October, mostly we will do I think everything, right? By complete everything.
That is
At
in
least
your hands now. How quickly you guys will complete the implementation, that much quickly we will complete it.
we complete that one. Yeah, okay.
It's not like it's not like one-way traffic,
Yeah, okay.
whether people are doing this project or not. So I will observe for 1 week. If people are interested, if people are participating in the development, then we will do as a team. If people are not interested, if people are not developing, then every day I will develop some functionality and I will complete it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because I
Ashok,
will wait
actually,
for 1 week. I will give 1 week of time. I will see the response. If I'm getting the response from you people, if you guys are making the development, if you are submitting your assignments, then we will work as a team. If you guys are not doing, then I can't force you. Then I will do the coding in the class and I will complete this project.
yeah, okay, sir. So as a part of this course, I'm planning to develop of my own all the things. Okay, so let me see. I will try to do all the things of my own without a team.
Yeah.
I'll part of teamwork also, both.
Right. So today you go through this. Already you have gone through the video. I hope so. You go through that and you do the DB design for the project.
Okay, sure.
You got my point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, there will be a registration page also, no? Because in the video I couldn't see the
Yeah. So in the
registration page.
video that is not there, we will add the
Yeah.
registration page also. When we
Okay.
are doing the user management, right?
Yeah.
Login, registration, forgot password, we can add.
Okay.
Those are basic functionalities. Already several times we implemented this. Somebody voice is breaking.
So we should
Please type in the chat box. Your voice is
so should we
breaking a lot. I can't hear you clearly. Could you please type your question in the chat box? Could you please
In this
type
project,
the
sir,
chat?
are we using that shipment tracking or like order tracking services also?
No, sir. Tracking that we can't do.
Okay. Okay.
Just will display what are the orders placed. That's it. E-commerce application development. What are the functionalities are there in our e-commerce application? I have given a small video to understand the overview of that. And I have listed down what are the functionalities that we are going to develop in the application. Okay. And today I want you people to spend 1 or 2 hours of time to understand this project. Okay. So there is nothing to explain much about the project because e-commerce that we are using in our daily life. Every day you are using Amazon, Flipkart and all, right? So these projects every day you are using. So no need to tell much about the description of the project. So the functionality of the project is very clear for everyone because e-commerce is part of our daily life. So these functionalities that we are going to develop, in order to develop these functionalities, what are the tables that we need to take? What is our database design? The database design is the most important part to start our development. First, if we can finalize the DB structure, what are the tables, what are the columns, if we can finalize those things, then we can start the development of our application. And this development, guys, we are going to do backend and front end parallelly. It is not like everything will complete in the backend, then we will go for the front end. It's not like that. We are going to develop the backend and front end parallelly in this application. So for example, when I say products and categories, so I will develop the backend for the products, then I will develop the front end also for the products. Once it is completed, then cart. Backend we will implement the cart functionality. Then in the front end we will implement the cart functionality. So whatever the backend and whatever the front end that is available, we are going to implement parallelly as part of our development. Okay. Are you guys clear?
In this project, we are also using all the tools.
Yes, sir. We will integrate the tools. So when I say tools means Maven build tool will be available, GitHub for repository, and what is this? Logging we are going to implement. Okay. When we are going for the deployment, project deployment, then Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. Unit testing we will do by using JUnit. Artifact we will store into Nexus. So all the tools will integrate, and once our development is completed, all the tools we will integrate and we will create one CI/CD pipeline in order to deploy our application in the AWS cloud also. I will show you all the tools integration also. For time being, forget about the tools, forget about the tools integration. First focus on project completion. Once the project development is completed, then adding all the tools and integrating them and deploying the project with the CI/CD pipeline, it is a 2 to 3 days task only. That's not a big deal because you already learned the tools. Using those tools, it's not difficult. So main focus now, project functionality development. And I'm expecting a teamwork. I'm expecting some support from you people. So because everything, if I develop in the class, then you will not learn anything. So I will see who are really interested, and for those people, I will assign the task and I will see whether they are going to complete it or not. I will observe for 1 week. If I am getting a good response from the people, if I am getting proper output from the people, if you are really interested, then we will work as a team. If you guys are not interested, if you are not doing it, then I will complete one functionality every day. So you decide it, whether you want to work as a team or you want me to develop the complete project. So which one is better? You want me to develop everything like many projects I have developed, or you will also part of
Team,
the
sir.
presentation? So who are really interested, I will collect the names of those people and we will prepare one team, and for the team, I will assign the task. Okay. So today, today for everyone, database design is the task. Tomorrow, you guys show me. So whatever the task I am giving, I will check tomorrow. Then I will understand whether you are really doing it or not. At least you are giving some try or not. So how many people are really interested? Tomorrow I will identify who has done the database analysis part tomorrow. So based on that, we will decide whether we should go as a teamwork or whether trainers should complete everything. Are you guys okay to analyze the database design for this application? Can you show me your database design in the tomorrow session for all the modules? Whatever the modules are available here, whatever you see in the video, for that you need to do the database design. Tables, columns, relationships, I want to see in the tomorrow session. Once I see your database analysis, then I will explain my analysis. Then if there is any gap, then you can correct it. So once the database design is ready, then we will start our implementation. So the implementation, backend and front end, I'm going to do parallelly so that you will get the clear picture how full stack development is going to happen. Is that okay, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, good. So tomorrow I'm going to see your database design. I request all of you. So this is the last opportunity for you. Once the project is completed, then tools integration, pending tools will be covered and project will be completed. Now also, if you don't try to do the things on your own, then nobody can help you. If you don't try to do the things on your own, then nobody can help you. So I request all of you and I suggest all of you, as much as possible, you try to develop the project on your own. That will give you lot of knowledge. That will give you a lot of confidence in order to attend the interview. So if you are going for interviews, the same e-commerce application, you can keep in your resume also, and you can attend the interviews. You will get the real knowledge, the real-time development you will understand if you involve yourself in this project development. If you don't involve, if you are just watching, then it's your choice. I can't do anything. Okay, good. I'm going to update this. So I think already the video is available. Please go through that. So make a note down what functionalities that you have observed. For this functionality, what are the tables required? So, okay, you take a notepad, you note down the table names, then the column names in the table, and which table will have a relationship with which table. I want you to identify all those details and show me in the tomorrow session. Okay. Any other questions, anyone?
Sir, circuit breaker, when will cover?
Sir, I will cover that, sir. So batch is not ending. Whatever the pending topics available, I will cover those topics also. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, tools are available. Some topics are there. Na? Security topics are there. So everything we will learn. I will not miss anything.
So what will be the application name and client name?
Sorry?
So application name and client name, e-commerce application name.
You can keep any name for that. First, let's complete the project. Later, we can give you a name for that.
Okay, sir.
As of now, you can just call it as a e-commerce application. That's it.
So currently I'm attending the interview, so I have to put that in my resume now. So for that I'm asking.
You can keep Milton. Milton.com is one of the e-commerce website.
Okay.
So there are so many e-commerce websites available in the market. You can keep any one of that. Milton is available, Decathlon is available, Nike is available. So I will show you several e-commerce projects. You can keep any one of that name.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
I'm having a question related to service registry. When I'm trying to run that, it is running at default port number as 8080. That is perfectly fine. But when I am trying to run 8716, then it is not working.
Whenever you change the properties file, you need to update the Maven project.
Yes, sir, I have done many times.
No, it should not happen like that. Maybe
Yeah.
any mistake in the YML file. We'll see that.
Yeah, okay, sir. Fine.
Any other questions, anyone? So what is the task for today, guys?
Database analysis.
Database design.
Yeah, for the major project, whatever the functionality is there in that video, you just watch that video. So we need to develop the project exactly like how it is there in the video. For that, what are the tables required? You need to analyze those and you need to show me in the tomorrow session. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. So we'll meet again tomorrow.
Hello, so
Yes, sir.
one question not related to all these things. Actually, I told her that 2 weeks ago I put my paper. So from that day, my manager started torturing me. Like in night, I'm coming home 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Morning, starting working 4 a.m. I mean, all those. Still, he is calling in night and started threatening me. I will terminate you. I will do that. I will do that. I mean, what is the I mean drawback if you terminate me? All those things. Will I not get my experience letter, resume letter, kind of a thing?
Sir, nothing will happen. Already you resigned for the company, right? So you don't need to worry about that. Whatever your regular work timings are there, you follow those regular timings and you come out of that.
I mean, he make that such environment. Client is also Indian. He is very over aggressive client. I mean, front of client manager is not saying anything. I mean, and front of us, I mean, people are working in weekend, Saturday, Sunday also, and Friday in reporting time mentioning that we did work, and Saturday, Sunday doing that. In Monday, he asking me the others are doing that. How? Why you are not able to do that? I mean, these things is happening, and kind of. I mean, there is no kitty, no Jira, no Scrum Master, no nothing, and directly client is calling and doing this is priority work you have to do within a day today.
So if
I
they
mean, and that
if they torture you like that, you tell them that. So I'm getting a work pressure. I can't handle. That's why I have resigned. So if you want,
no, that day I put my paper. I simply told him that due to client over aggressiveness, that's why I'm putting paper. I can't handle that. And meeting official meeting also client talking in Tamil, and if we are asking, we are not able to understand. They are saying colleague are saying no issue. We will explain them. Client in explaining them within 20 to 25 minutes all these issue in over screen, and for us, their colleague are directly sending us a 2-line description for issues. It is very hard to understand things and doing.
You ask them to release for early release. No problem.
I asked the arrange one meeting with portfolio manager. He simply told that we can't release you if you are on notice period. No one team will take you, and early release is not possible. You have to do 3 months work there. Kind of.
Okay, sir. I will think on that and message me in the WhatsApp. We'll discuss on this part.
Sure.
Okay.
I mean, because of these things, I'm not able to do study on this Angular and classes also. Only 2 days I'm getting Saturday, Sunday, doing all hard work, but still not able to match up what is going on.
Yeah, Santosh, you send me a WhatsApp message.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.